forgotten by time and left to history. A 20th century legend, now nothing more than a heap of corroded iron. This is an AKM, the modernized variant of the immortal AK-47. But in this state, it's almost unrecognizable. Today, we begin a near impossible mission, to bring it back to life. The restoration begins now. Even the most basic disassembly becomes a challenge. Everything is seized solid by rust. The gas tube is completely fused. This will require some patience and a bit of force. The pins have practically become one with the receiver after decades of neglect. And here it is. Every single part, big and small, tells a story of hardship. Now, the real work begins. With rust this severe, our most effective solution is electrolysis. This process safely removes the corrosion without abrading the base metal. Look at this result. Beneath that rough exterior, good steel remains. It's unbelievable. The wood parts need special attention, too. We'll save as much of the original wood as possible, only repairing what's absolutely necessary. After hours of work, we've finally put the batteries into corrosion. The parts are now ready for a new finish. Surface prep is the most critical step for a perfect finish. Every last trace of oil must be removed. We're using a matte black ceramic coating, similar to the original AKM finish. It's not just for looks, it's incredibly durable and corrosion-resistant. For the wood, nothing beats a classic oil finish. It nourishes the grain from within and creates a warm, natural beauty. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. From a collection of loose parts, a legend is being reborn. Everything now functions with perfect smoothness. This is the beauty of Kalashnikov's design. Each part returns to its rightful place. Every click confirms its strength and precision. The rifle is whole once more. From a forgotten pile of rust, it has returned, more beautiful, stronger, and ready for a new life. This is the power of persistence and passion. An unbelievable transformation. And for the final test, gunshot. Flawless function. The legend has truly returned. Thank you for watching this journey. Like, subscribe, and let us know, what should we bring back to life next?